Buying a house is a huge decision, and it's more important than ever to save money. Mortgage rates are increasing, and deals are harder to come by. The last thing you want is to find yourself with a bad case of homebuyer's remorse. In the last few years, it was fairly easy to sell a house. If you have decided it wasn't the right one for you, you just put it on the market and it sells. But as the days on market increases and selling gets more difficult, you don't want to be stuck in a house you don't love. That's why you need to buy it risk-free. The only way to do this is with a buyback guarantee. Find out how it works and how to make it work for you so you don't regret a home purchase. Hi, I'm Nathan Clark with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty here in Rhode Island. In this video, I'll tell you 3 ways to make sure you don't experience homebuyer's remorse. Not only does it feel bad, it can lead you into a devastating financial situation. Over the last few months, mortgage rates have jumped. Even a few percentage points can increase your mortgage payment by hundreds of dollars per month. If you're stuck in a house you can't afford or don't love, this could be excruciating. Don't let this happen. Use strategies that will protect your future and your finances. Every day, I help clients like you buy and sell homes in Rhode Island. I know what it looks like to be completely satisfied with your home. Unfortunately, I also know what it looks like to have serious regrets. That's why I've created a special home buyer guarantee. But we'll talk more about that in a minute. First, here are 3 strategies to avoid home buyer remorse in Rhode Island. 1, know exactly what you're in need for and what you're looking for in a house. Locking yourself into an expensive mortgage that has financial impact for years is serious. That's why it's critical to know exactly what you need in a house before you buy it. Take the time to write down some of the things you want and then also the things you absolutely need in a home, and don't move on the things you need, but move on the things that you want. There's also a difference in the things you want and things you need and must have. It will be very helpful to note those differences up front. If you need 2 bathrooms, but you want an office, you'll regret choosing the 1 bath with an office over a 2 bath without an office. So get clear on exactly what you need. The next thing you want to take a look at is understanding why this house will change your life. Knowing what you want in a house is important, but so is knowing why you're buying. I often see people experience homebuyer remorse because they didn't consider their why. After all, a home is where you spend most of your time. It's where your kids grow up. It's in the community you're surrounded by. All of these things can significantly impact your quality of life. So ask yourself, why? Do I want my kids to have childhood memories in this house? Will waking up in this house make me feel happy and content? Does this house help me host meaningful family events? And how will centering my life here change my future? If a house doesn't have the backyard you want, but it's perfectly located in a community you love, you may end up happier than you thought. Understanding why you're buying a house will keep you from realizing your regret later after you purchase it. And number 3, buy risk-free with my buyback guarantee. Even if you know what you want and why you want it, there is still risk when you buy a house. Maybe your income changes and you can no longer afford your mortgage payment, or perhaps your family needs suddenly change. When you buy a house with me, I'll give you a buyback guarantee where if you're not satisfied with the home, I'll buy it back or sell it for free. This is something I guarantee in writing upfront. Visit my website or call me to find out more details. Don't leave a huge transaction like this in the hands of just any realtor. When you work with my team, we'll make sure you get a house you love, and we'll make the whole process risk-free. I understand that buying a home is becoming more difficult for most Americans, and with my exclusive guarantees, you can reach your homeowning dreams without regret. Make sure you get the house you want and never regret it for a minute. Plus, if you want more tips and suggestions on house hunting, visit my website, nathanclarkteam.com. You can also give me a call at 288-3557, and I'll answer any questions that you have. I'm Nathan Clark, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.